So she says, I always feel so surprised when the 3D kicks my butt. I am shocked it's happened because I believe the end so much. And I completely get it. You can be living in the end in your mind, and then all of a sudden a circumstance pops up and you're like, what is going on? I'm living in the end in my mind as if I already have what I want. I've been changing my self-identity. Why is this happening? And you just need to understand that all it is just feedback as to what you have been thinking previously. Before you knew about law of assumption, you had so many thoughts and assumptions going on and beliefs that you didn't even realize were dominant in your subconscious mind. You weren't consciously manifesting what you want. So those are just playing out, and you just need to look at it as feedback. And a lot of people, when circumstances pop up, it seems so real. I completely get it, and it is hard not to react. But when a circumstance pops up, you really need to look at this circumstance as, okay, you know what? I don't need to react to this. I'm just going to respond because this is just showing me what I was thinking and assuming previously, and it does not matter. And I am going to continue living in the end in my mind as if I already have what I want, because that is the only true reality that exists, is the reality that we are living in our mind. So if I continue persisting in my mind as if I already have what I want, and I continue to change my self-identity into the identity that I want to be, and you be that right now, no matter what you see in the 3D, then in time, your 3D has to shift. So continue living in your mind. That is exactly what you need to do. Do not fall victim to the 3D whatsoever. You got this. Follow me for more tips.